Come and fly away with me.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, Simply Nicole. Ayan, good morning everyone. Good morning. And today is cloudy, dark, raining, wet. It's bad weather today, guys. But now we're having our coffee. Coffee time. And so we cannot go out because it's raining. Dili ta makagawas mga langga. Okay, raining what? So we just stay home. We just stay inside and do our vlog. My eyes is blurry. So I think later on we will gonna have a live stream here in YouTube. Gahapon ba I damaged my nipper, so I cannot take off all. Oh, the rain becomes strong, heavy. You hear this, guys? Look. Oh, see? You heard it, right? You see? See that? Oh. It's raining. You know that this dress is very long time ago. I think it is like 9 years old dress, but still good. This is from Divided. Oh no, I feel like I am slim now, really. My face is slim. And this dress, it's or maybe I'm getting slim really, or maybe I don't know, because I feel like it's so, oh no, it's too big. It's too big. So I'm getting slim. Getting slim, guys. Clogs. So I will gonna do something. I think we will go live here first, and then I will get back after my live.
A few moments later.
Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. We're finished with our live. Continue our vlog. Hindi pa ako tapos kumain eh. Nga lang ga. 10 years of bread with jam and butter. And with coffee. That's all my food this morning. So welcome back mga langga. Karon gitugnaw jud ko, as in gibati ko og katugnaw. So maglungag ta kay wala pa tay nilungag kanilaging kuan kaayo. Ang atong kanon magbasa dayon siya. Ambot og ngano. Ambot ngano nga ang kanon magbasa man kaayo. I don't know what's happening with my rice. It's become wet. So ay. So hugas ta. So, ang atong buhaton, we're gonna cook rice, and then, magluto ra ta og tortang talong. Agoy, wala man ko'y kuan. Uy, wala ko'y tuyo. So, dili lang ta magtortang talong. Magkuan taglaing sud anon. So, kilisan na lang nato ato ang bugas. Oh, niya. Tak ang lay nato. So, guys, magluto lang taog. Hala, wala naman da itlog. Hala, duha na lang ka itlog. Itlog naman eh. Baka na siya daot no. Isa lang siguro ka itlog no. Duha na lang atong itlog guys. Duha ba sad imong itlog? Guys, it's sunny. Oh, it's sunny and warmer. But our flowers is kuano. And our look, a lot of kuan here like that. And yeah, a lot of flowers, really a lot. But near new, and our is not going well. It's not good. So come back inside and we're gonna eat soon. So mauna ni atong kanon. This is sweet and sour lumpia sauce, and this suka ug uyap. Unya itlog, nga duha ka buok og rice. So, let's eat. So, mga una tang mga langga, magkinamot ra ta ka. Mas kuan ko magkaon ko magkinamot no. Uyap, tapos lumpia sauce. Hi guys, welcome back. Time check is 10 PM and I'm not sleeping yet. Of course, watching my movie. So we're watching movie, guys. What is that? Rest in peace. So if you're gonna rest in peace, so we're having fun. We're having fun watching movie. So after this, I'm gonna sleep. So, I would like to say thank you to my channel members, my subscribers, and everyone who watched my video. Thank you very much. And my supporter outside YT. Thank you very much. You know who you are. And yeah. See you tomorrow morning. See you in my next vlog.